Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the granite stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the single crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those, and I will have them listed down below. I have already made a little test swatch here using 2 different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the granite stitch. This is what it's going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make an even number. You're then going to work 1 row of just single crochet, and then you will work your granite stitch row into the 3rd row right here. So I'm going to show you how to do that right here with the row that I'm currently working. I've already made 1 chain. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make 1 single crochet into the first stitch of your row. Then you're going to look on the previous row and you're going to see what is underneath. So on this previous row right here, I have already made a chain and then skipped this stitch and then made a single in the next. So in this little skipped space right here, we're going to make a single crochet. Then we've come across a single crochet into our last row. So we're going to make a chain. We're going to skip over it and we're going to work a single into this open space made from a chain skip on our last row in between these 2 single crochets right here. So we've come across another single crochet right here. You're going to make a chain, you're going to skip over it, and you're going to make a single crochet in between these 2 right here into this open space. Make a chain, skip over this single, make a single right here. Chain, skip over this single, make a single right here in between the previous 2. Chain, skip over this single, make a single right here in between these previous ones. Skip over this single, make a single right here into this previous chain skip spot in between these 2 single crochets. So you're going to make a chain, skip, and then make a single. Chain, skip, make a single. We've come to our last stitch of this row. You're going to make a single crochet, even if it's in a previous single crochet. The reason being is you want to keep your rows straight. So you're going to want to work a single into the last one and the first one of each row. So then for any future rows, you would repeat this row that we just made. And on this row right here, where you're doing your first one, you would do single, chain, skip, single, chain, skip. And that's going to be repeated for any row that you come across in the future. So that is going to be how to make the granite stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.